This week was about probability, the basic stuff. And the playlist I did watch in Arabic and another one in English. So let's start. Probability. There were 8 points, starting with random experiment and then sample space and event probability, the intersection and the union, the difference between and or, conditional probability, independent events. Learning these stuff will make you deeply understand the conditions in programming and how to make a map for the computer to follow, and a lot of other things. That means it's important. So now, this is the playlist I did watch. This is the Arabic one, and this one is in English. Watch it very well, and that is what you have to do for this week. This is my Instagram, don't forget to follow me there. If you're not, you're missing a lot. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.